This is headline news. A smart grating that opens only when it rains is a hot topic. We are introducing an integrated security window that opens both the security window and the water stopper at the same time. We visited a leading company that protects citizens and prevents disasters. Today, countless disasters are occurring all over the world. In order to reduce the loss of life and property in these disasters, life safety infrastructure is essential. We visited Korea R&D. Gratings installed on roads are always open, so when it rains, cigarette butts and trash flow into the storm drains, clogging them or causing water flow obstruction, causing road flooding. We are manufacturing socially necessary safety products, such as smart grating that open only when it rains, as well as ground-type subway ventilation shafts and integrated security windows. Korea R&D, which is developing various products to solve safety and environmental issues in urban infrastructure, proactively discovers problems that were not previously addressed, develops technology to solve them, and commercializes products. The eco-friendly smart grating are designed to allow sewage to flow through open grating on the road. Currently, cigarette butts, trash, and other waste materials are being thrown into the open grating, which causes water flow problems and flooding on the road. Therefore, the eco-friendly gratings we designed are always closed during normal times and open only when it rains, preventing cigarette butts, waste materials, and other waste materials from being thrown into the storm drains. Also, because it is eco-friendly, it is configured as a system that can open and close by itself by supplying power using eco-friendly solar panels and using only solar power without the need for external power. Also, recently, it has been designed so that it can operate a control system in the entire autonomous district by utilizing solar power, so that it can know in real time whether the status is open or closed and whether there is a malfunction. The eco-friendly smart grating is a device that automatically opens and closes the cover on top of the grating, which is the lid of a storm drain, using a sensor. It is installed to fit perfectly on the road curb and can fundamentally block various types of trash or waste from entering the storm drain. So it was selected as an innovative product by the Public Procurement Service in 2024. We design, purchase, and use solar panels designed to fit the size of the border stone. We use monocrystalline solar cells that can charge as long as visible light enters, even in the shade. Monocrystalline solar cells are a little more expensive than conventional polycrystalline cells, but their efficiency is improved by 3% to 5%. Advancement of urban infrastructure is directly related to the safety of citizens. Small ideas can save many lives. The integrated security window was made so that the previously closed security window can be opened, and by opening it, people can escape. But currently in the semi-basement, a water stopper is installed in front. Previously, the water stopper had to be removed to escape, but previously it was difficult to remove. So this time, when developing the security window, we also made a water stopper that can be opened. So in case of an emergency, people living in the semi-basement can escape from the inside to the outside. The retractable security windows and water stopper, developed after seeing the reality that window security windows and water stopper make emergency escape difficult when a semi-basement house is flooded, stand out as an innovative idea that can protect the lives and safety of the homes of ordinary people. Inspired by this, another safety product was also developed. The existing semi-basement door can be opened and closed, but if the semi-basement is filled with water, this door cannot be opened. So, according to Seoul City regulations, in order to block water at the bottom 40 centimeter and escape, you have to grab the door with a safety device inside and pull it out. It blocks the water when it is filled with water, so a person can escape. The reason CEO Jin developed these products was the subway ventilation hole collapse accident that occurred about 10 years ago. After seeing accidents occur in unexpected places and many people lose their lives, he created the ground-type ventilation shaft out of a sense of mission to ensure that such accidents never happen again. The existing ventilation shafts are dug to a depth of 5 meters at the minimum and 15 meters at the maximum. Therefore, if a fall accident is found on the ventilation shaft, there is a risk of serious injury or death. However, this product has the advantage of never causing casualties because even if a person falls, they fall from a low height of 30 centimeters, so no matter how severe the injury is, it is only a minor injury. In order to open and close the product, the pulley is configured to be turned by manpower. However, this product is a fully automated system, so it has the advantage of automatically opening and closing it at the station using a remote control. Since pedestrians can use it smoothly and walk with it, they can activate the streets they want to walk on, and it can also be used by people with disabilities or wheelchairs. Korea R&D, which values safety and the environment and researches and develops various safety products closely related to citizens' lives, plans to introduce even more innovative products in line with the era of artificial intelligence that is beginning in earnest. In the second half of 2025, we are putting all our efforts into developing the 3.5 version of the smart grating system that utilizes artificial intelligence to minimize damage to life and property. The third generation of safety automation for ground-type ventilation holes, and the first fully automated safety water barrier for underground housing and underground parking lots in Korea.